Hey guys, it's Masha, and I'm going to teach you how to do a picture-in-picture effect, like I have right here. Okay, so basically, you choose a clip. Like here, I'll choose this. Bring it down here, and what's highlighted here? Okay, here again. And you choose picture-in-picture. And you sort of bring it where you think is the middle. This should come up, so you just make it larger using these arrows. You can make it this big or bigger. Yeah. And then you can make a border and do this. And yeah, then what's fun is you make the saturation go down so it looks black and white. And then it's like this.
For the only thing I didn't get so far.
So yeah, that's how you do a picture-in-picture effect. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.